Join me as I take on the challenge of turning my skills into cash and show you how to make your first $1,000 while navigating any crisis. When it comes to surviving a crisis, having a plan in place is crucial. Think about it. Crises are unpredictable, and they can strike at any moment. But with a solid plan, you can weather the storm and come out stronger on the other side. Financial stability is key to navigating any crisis, and that's exactly what we're going to focus on today. In a crisis, every dollar counts, and having a safety net can be a lifesaver. But it's not just about having money set aside. It's about having the skills and knowledge to generate income, no matter what's going on around you. That's what we're going to talk about today. How to make your first $1,000 even in the toughest of times. So let's get started. Another challenge people face during a crisis is unexpected expenses. Maybe your car broke down, or maybe you had a medical emergency. Whatever the reason, it's a huge stress on your finances. But again, with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome these obstacles and keep moving forward. Take budgeting, for example. When you're in a crisis, every dollar counts, and budgeting becomes more important than ever. By prioritizing your spending and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you can free up more money to invest in yourself and your business. But budgeting is just the beginning. When you're in a crisis, you need to think outside the box and come up with creative solutions to your problems. Maybe that means selling items you no longer need, or maybe it means taking on a side hustle to bring in some extra cash. The possibilities are endless, but it all starts with the right mindset. You see, when you're in a crisis, it's easy to get caught up in fear and doubt. But with the right mindset, you can overcome those feelings and start taking action towards your goals. So let's talk about some practical strategies for making your first $1,000. One of the most effective ways to do this is through freelancing. Whether it's writing, designing, or consulting, there are people out there who need your expertise, and they're willing to pay for it. Another strategy is to start selling products online. Whether it's through Amazon, Etsy, or your own website, selling products can be a huge moneymaker, even in a crisis. And don't even get me started on affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission, you can generate income without having to create your own products or services. But here's the thing. Making your first $1,000 isn't just about the strategies you use. It's about the mindset you have and the actions you take. It's about being willing to take risks and to put in the hard work necessary to achieve your goals. Now I know what you're thinking. What if I fail? What if I put in all this effort and I still don't make my first $1,000? Well, let me tell you something. Failure is not the end of the world. In fact, it's often a necessary step on the path to success. When you're trying to make your first $1,000, you're going to encounter obstacles. You're going to face setbacks and failures, and you're going to have to overcome them. But with the right mindset, you can do just that. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to take a deep breath, and I want you to commit to making your first $1,000. I want you to promise yourself that you'll do whatever it takes to achieve your goal, even if it means stepping outside your comfort zone. Because when you make that commitment, something amazing happens. You start to see opportunities that you never saw before. You start to see ways to make money that you never thought of before. And you start to take action towards your goals, even when it's hard. And that's exactly what we need to do to survive any crisis. We need to take action. We need to be willing to take risks and to put in the hard work necessary to achieve our goals. We need to be resilient, and we need to be determined. So let's recap the main strategies we've discussed today. We've talked about the importance of having a plan in place, and about generating income through freelancing, selling products online, and affiliate marketing. We've talked about the importance of budgeting and about thinking outside the box to come up with creative solutions to our problems. And most importantly, we've talked about the mindset shift that needs to happen in order to achieve our goals. We need to be willing to take action, even when it's hard. We need to be resilient, and we need to be determined. So I want to leave you with a challenge today. I want you to take what you've learned, and I want you to put it into action. I want you to make your first $1,000, and I want you to do it with confidence and determination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your own crisis survival tips. I'd love to hear them, and I'll catch you in the next video. Make the background music inspiring.